Another problem using combinations. This time we've got a soccer team which consists of 11 players, and the team must be sorted into 3 attackers, 3 midfielders, 4 defenders and 1 goalkeeper. And we want to ask ourselves, how many possible ways are there to do it? Now there's another question here, and that is Amy wants to play the attacker, Eva is chosen to play the goalkeeper, Sue does not want to play the defender, and how many combinations are now possible? Well, we're going to tackle the very first one. How many possible ways are there to do this? We want 3 attackers, we want 3 midfielders, we also want 4 defenders, and 1 goalkeeper. So how many ways can we choose 3 attackers from 11 players? We use the combination rule and we say we choose 3 from 11 players. So now we have only 8 players left. So now we can ask ourselves, in how many ways can we choose 3 midfielders from 8 players? We can do this by choosing 3 from 8. Well, now we have only 5 players left. And so in how many ways can we choose 4 defenders from the 5 players? Well, we will have combination. We need 4 to choose, and we've got 5 players to choose from. And so now we only have 1 player left. How many ways can we choose 1 goalkeeper from the remaining player? Well, this is very obvious, but we can still write it in a combination form by writing 1 player and 1 to choose from. So what do we do with all these 4 combinations? We can choose the 3 attackers from 11 players, and we write and. We also can choose 3 players from the 8 players, and we can choose 4 players from 5 players, and finally we can choose and the last one. And what does the word and mean mathematically? We need to change it into a multiplication sign. So we're multiplying each of these terms. And so in your calculator, use the button which has NCR in it, and what you will write now is 11C3, and you will multiply that by 8C3 and multiply this by 5C4 and then multiply this by 1C1. And the answer will be 46,200 ways. Now we come to the second part of the problem, where Amy wants to play attacker, Eva is chosen to play goalkeeper, and Sue does not want to play defender. So Amy wants to play attacker. Let's give Amy the attacker position. So Amy is going to be playing the attacker position. And also Eva is chosen to play the goalkeeper, so we'll put Eva in the goalkeeper's position. Now that means we've only have 9 players left. Now Sue does not want to play the defender, so we have only 8 players to choose from to play the defender position. So the combination will be 8, and we choose 4 out of those 8. And we have 5 players left 2 of them need to be attackers. So our combination is 5, choose 2. So the total combination is choosing the defender position, and the word was "and" here, so that means we're going to multiply this by the 5 players that are going to be playing the attackers. This will give us 70 times 10, which is 700 different ways. This last problem was quite challenging, but I hope that I explained this well enough to you. And if you did like my work, then please subscribe to it and also put a like on the video.